Good morning, wherever you're watching me from. This looks like a huge place where they are having this horses on the field, but it looks like a soccer field, but I don't think they use it to play soccer. So at the moment, you've seen the cows are now being used in this area, and they are eating the grass right from. Look at this one. It's a very big horse. This looks like a very big horse, and you see the cow downs all over, and I don't think they can use it to play soccer anymore. So they turn it into a cow. Let me say they are eating spot, or maybe they might be. No, they don't live here. Basically, they have their places for them to rest, but they use here for them as a playing ground, and then at the same time they can use these are, let me see the number, I think 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20, about 20 horses here. I don't know if all these horses are belong to an individual. Oh, this looks like a donkey. The one, let me see, the one right over there, this one. It looks like I don't know if it's a horse but it looks like a donkey. You see the horses? Kind of very beautiful. They look so nice. Oh, I hope you love it. And this field, if it is in Africa, like we can use it to play soccer, like the Premier League or the Division 1, Division 2. We don't have even field with this grass covered like that. Parking on normally, Anna, and parking in your Kamasa. So this location is around. I think it's part of Rockville. Yeah, this is part of Rockville and Gettysburg in the United States of America area. Thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Asante sana. Bye bye.